These are the ingredients for the green stew. Hello lovelies, how are you all? This is your Ijebu girl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing and teaching us how to prepare this delicious green fish stew. If this is what you are interested in learning, then I implore you to sit back and watch this video to the very end. And again, give this video a huge and massive thumbs up and support your girl by subscribing to my YouTube channel for more interesting and delicious recipes. This is the last cooking video for the year 2024. See you all in 2025. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye.
Yeah, shit, oh. Yeah, what is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, yeah. She dey cook anything, walai, oh, walai. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, you say Sisiijebu'scorner. When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, kitchen, oh. Taking over the world right now. Taking over the world right now. War right now. Yeah, we taking over the world right now. War right now. War right now. We taking over the world right now. We taking the war right now. We taking over the war right now. The war, the. Yeah, shit, oh. Yeah, what is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, yeah. She dey cook anything, walai, oh, walai. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, you say Sisiijebu'scorner. When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, kitchen, oh. Taking over the world right now. Taking over the world right now. War right now. Yeah, we taking over the world right now. War right now. War right now. We taking over the war right now. We taking the war right now. We taking over the war right now. The war, the. Yeah, shit, oh. What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi,